Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing a Peugeot RCZ door mirror. Please watch the complete video as there is a tricky section to removing this mirror. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to support the channel, and let's get into our main demonstration. When you open the door, there will be this door pull handle, and on the side of this there will be a little opening where you can put in a flathead metal screwdriver to release the outer cover of the door pull handle, and gently, without forcing it too much, just wriggle it off. And underneath this cover there would be two Torx screws, I believe were T30s, one to the top and then one to the bottom. Towards the bottom of the door trim there is a little or two T20 Torx screws. Remove both of those, and then we will also detach the bottom courtesy light with a small tool. Just pull it off like so in the video and then unplug the cable. For the next part, the door trim is held on by clips. Get in between the door trim and the door panel with plastic tools, and you'll need to pull the door trim apart from the door panel. First pull the bottom side out, and then you will wriggle the door trim upwards. Now this is the soundproofer. This is how you pretty much open or cut it if you do want to remove it properly without just ripping it off, which I do, but don't do that. To show you why I need to remove the door trim, because the cables for the mirror run in the door trim or there. Please don't forget to subscribe. Now push in the cable with the plugs. You don't have to remove the door speaker. I just removed it to show you that you need to wriggle this cable out because it goes inside there, and you will need to wriggle that one out, so it might get stuck along the way. Now, removing the door mirror from the door panel, the bolt that holds it in place is behind this indicator, and you'll need to be very careful and detach the indicator by pushing down on the clips that are on the top and the bottom on the middle of the indicator, as you can see. This process, you're likely to damage the indicator. While doing this, you'll need to be extremely careful and use very small flathead tools. And then the bolt for the mirror was T50, and this is how you remove the door mirror. Now if you do end up damaging the indicator, one thing I can say is the indicators are the same with Peugeot 388 T7s, so you don't have to look for a Peugeot RCZ mirror indicator. You can replace it with a Peugeot 388 T7 one, because they are exactly the same, as you can see. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in future videos.